job, come on. Let's get it out, let's get it out. Go, 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 go.
I took a block shot right here.
What's behind you?
Good job. There you go, there you go. All right, open up, go to the boards. There you go. Look, there you go. Come on, let's go, move it.
Where's it tied?
Make a decision, let's go.
Oh my God.
Shot!
Called it.
What?
Called it. Score.
Hey, put our foot on the pedal now. Okay, straight period. You know what I mean?
Dad.
Yes, coach.
Dad.
Lose my voice.
Take the camera.
What?
Take the camera.
Why?
You want to go get the jacket.
What?
You want to go get a jacket.
Forget it now. It's too late now.
Shot round.
I'm so hurt from that.
It's in the concession stand.
I'm so hurt from that bruise, man.
You know, you need to listen to me when I tell you something.
It wasn't cold. It's my fingers because I don't have
What did I tell you at the beginning of the game?
Hey.
Yeah, play back to Rob. Eddie, smart. Yeah, play him. Stop. Gonna have to cool it. On him.
Let's go, let's go.
We're tired. Come on, let's go. On him.
Too sloppy, guys, let's go.
Take it.
Let's go, let's go.
Chip it, Rob.
Next line, get ready.
What's up? Give it to Vinny. Settle it. Use your hand.
Wait, sloppy.
Play off.
Ice it.
Come on.
Come on, quit playing sloppy.
Defenseman, get ready.
Just ice it. Come on, guys.
I see, we need a change now.
3-1. Pass it over.
Come on. Hurry up.
Hurry up, let's go,
Hey.
Center. Winger.
Yep.
Get out there and get right to the point.
Go. Rest of the chain. Good call there.
Do it again.
Good guy, guys. Guys, gotta pick it up, guys. Let's go, guys. Gotta move your feet. Let's go. It's not over. Save Luke.
Good job, Luke.
Guys, drink up.
Come on, flying is next.
Grab the ball, White. Look to the ball. Go, Fitz, go. Look, Chris, look. What's the board, Fritz?
Your own water. You're cool.
We got Fitz.
Christian, I'm stealing some of your water. Really, 2 in a row. 3 in a row.
Why? Stop.
Oh, yeah.
Why would he? Kidding, everyone.
Go, Josh, go, Fitz. You got Kyle.
It's a serious matter. Oh, that's so funny.
Chef, good defense. Good
Come on,
job.
Adam!
Good job. Come on up, you guys. Hey, drink up because next time you're ready.
Well, I think I just screwed it. Oh!
You got to go!
I was close!
Point! Shoot! Rick!
Rob, you almost look like you scored in the face.
There you go! Work! Adam! Don't stop running, Adam! You gotta get down! You got two guys in front of you, Adam! Adam! You gotta go down more! Play defense!
Rock, Rod! Oh!
Hey, Joe! Yeah, Joe!
Rebound! Yeah!
Good position, you gentlemen!
Missed it. On exit.
Next line! Good position, buddy. You guys have that? Good job, buddy. Good shift. Way to keep it in. Way to work it in there.
Out there, yeah.
Yes, nice win!
1 minute.
That's good.
Trigger.
Keep it going, Christian. Keep it going, Christian. Good job.
Bring it in like
Yep, that's him. Shoot Adam. Nice shot. Good job, Adam.
Ready up for that 2-on-1.
Dude. Come on. Oh! Hold on. Give it to it. Give it to it. Then touch it. Goal? Yeah, it's a goal. Wait, is it a goal? Good job. That was mostly a penalty too. Hey, let's go with the third one. Third line. Go anywhere with the jump. Let Joe go in. Line 3. Christian! We're changing! Go, let's swap. Hurry up, guys. How's that going? Did you just score that?
Yeah.
Good job, good stretch.
Guys, straight.
Yes, go back! Get up, you can that works the
Yeah, you're all right.
Faster! Shoot! Good shot, Colin!
Wait, guys, good job behind you.
Right behind you, Robbie.
Hey, Vinny and Matt, good job behind the
Good, good, play it up. Go, Cal, go, Cal! Someone go to the board! There you go, good job.
Pick that off. Hey, line 2, get ready.
Line 2, get ready. Oh, oh, good shot, Vince! Good pass, Colin, keep it up! What? Come on, you got it.
Push it.
Line 2.
Right?
Chris, we're out for him. Chris. Good shot. Good shot, good pass. There you go. Good job. There you go, Ashley. You got it. Good defense, good defense. Go, don't get shot out. Down, good shot. There you go. Go, Rob, hard. Let's go. Follow. Let's go. Start moving. Let's go. Not over.
Yes, keep it going.
Keep on moving.
Yep, come up to that. John! Come on!
Dude,
You got 3-2!
Come on, Vinny!
Ball back, Christian, on defense.
Put it in! Drop back! Yes!
Come on. Good work, boys. There we go. Vince, you okay?
Turn! Oh, come on!
that was cheap.
Yeah, keep it, Rob.
Where's that? Come on, Abby. Way to keep it in there. Keep on working. Keep on working. Keep on working. Shoot. Keep on working, guys. Play it around.
Play across. Yes, nice pass. Oh, put those in.
Shoot. Good job, guys.
Good job, man. Nice word.
That's his hand from my friend.
Good job.